central Wisconsin, southeastern Dane County, southwestern Wisconsin, Jefferson County, southeastern Wisconsin, Dodge County, in southeastern Wisconsin until 7 p.m. At 5:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Portage to near Fitchburg to 6 miles southwest of Broadhead, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Janesville, Beloit, Watertown, Beaver Dam, Whitewater, Stoughton, Fort Atkinson, Waupun, Jefferson, South Beloit, Lake Mills, Milton, Edgerton, Evansville, Marshall, Horicon, Waterloo, Juneau, Johnson Creek, and Deerfield. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.